Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your the science picture book and open your page number 38. Today our topic is tools for building. On the previous lecture we learned about materials. Materials are the matter or substances that our objects are made from. And why we use materials? We use materials for build a building, and we learn different names of the materials like wood, metal, bricks, glass, etc. Here we study about tools for building. When people build things, they also need tools. What are tools? A tool is used for a specific purpose. It is a physical object such as saw, hammer, trowel. Here we study about different tools for buildings. Why what tools do you think I might need? Tools are things that help to shape materials and put them in the right place. It helps to shape the materials, and with the help of tools, the things can't move. Here we study about the tools and how we use tools. This is a saw. It is a tool. I can use the tool to cut this piece of wood to the right place. We use saw for cutting the wood. Look at your next page. This is hammer. It is a tool. Okay, hammer is also a tool. And this is a nail, and it is a nail. Okay, I use a hammer to bang. What is the meaning of bang? A sharp sound. Nail into these pieces of wood. The nail keep the two pieces of wood together. With the help of hammer, we bang nail into two pieces of wood. And look at here, they will join together like this. So we use hammer for this purpose. This is a trowel. Why we use trowel? I use the trowel to spread cement on the wall. It is used for spreading cement on the wall. Okay, here we study different tools for building. Number 1 is saw, hammer, and trowel. Be carefully. If you are going to use a tool, make sure an adult is with you. Never use a tool on your own because it is dangerous for you. Okay? Learning is fun. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Here we have 4 words: trowel, nail, saw, and hammer. Number 1, we use a dash to join two pieces of wood. We use a nail to join two pieces of wood. We use a dash to cut a piece of wood. We use saw to cut a piece of wood. Number 3, we use a dash to spread cement on a wall. We use trowel. We use trowel to spread a cement on a wall. 4, we use the dash to bang the nail into wood. We use hammer to bang the nail into wood. Okay, now your homework is read page number 38 and 39 and complete these sentences with very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.